Namaste. Today I will explain the genome-based classification of viruses proposed by David Baltimore in 1971. As I explained in my previous lecture that outside the living cells, viruses are non-living particles with some chemical characteristics similar to those of life. Earlier, viruses are classified into two groups on the basis of their host range. These groups are plant viruses and animal viruses. In most of the plant viruses, the genetic material is RNA and which is single-stranded and linear. In animal viruses, the genetic material or genome is DNA which is double-stranded and may be linear or circular. The genome-based classification of viruses was proposed by David Baltimore in 1971. David Baltimore is an American biologist and professor of biology at the California Institute of Technology. Baltimore was affiliated to MIT Cambridge when he shared Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine in 1975 with Howard M. Temin, Renato Dubleco for the discovery of enzyme reverse transcriptase in retroviruses. He classified viruses into 7 groups or classes on the basis of type of genetic material, that is DNA or RNA, nature of genome, may be single-stranded or double-stranded, or mode of replication of genetic material. Therefore, viruses that have RNA as genome are called RNA viruses and DNA as genome are called DNA viruses. An exception to this rule comprises viruses that replicate via reverse transcription, which are grouped separately as reverse transcribing viruses or RT viruses. In viruses, the complete system of translation or protein synthesis is not found, so every virus is dependent for protein synthesis on the host's translational machinery. The Baltimore system of classification is based on how viruses use the machinery of host for their own translation or protein synthesis. The basic theme of Baltimore's system of virus classification is that all viruses must generate positive sense mRNA from their genome in order to produce proteins. The precise mechanism which by this is achieved differs in each virus group. The genome-based classification system, which was proposed by Baltimore, initially includes 6 groups of viruses. However, a seventh class was added to accommodate the gapped genome of Heparin viridae or hepatitis B virus. The classification proposed by Baltimore is summarized in the following table. There are 7 groups. All groups are differs in their genome. In group first, the genome is double-stranded DNA. Viruses are classified. This is known as adenoviridae class. The examples of these groups are herpes virus, pox virus, adenovirus, and papillomavirus. In group second, the genome is single-stranded DNA. and it is known as Gemini viridae. Example is Curtovirus. The third one, in which genome is double-stranded RNA and known as Retroviridae. Example retroviruses. In fourth group, the genome is single-stranded RNA. The viruses with positive sense RNA genome are classified in this group. The class is known as Picornaviridae, and common examples are poliovirus, foot and mouth disease virus, and hepatitis A virus. In fifth group, the genome is single-stranded RNA with negative sense RNA, and class is known as Paramyxoviridae. Example is parainfluenza virus. In sixth group, positive sense single-strand RNA reverse transcriptase viruses are classified. The class is known as Retroviridae, and example is human immunodeficiency virus, यानी HIV virus, which causes AIDS in humans. The seventh and last group, in which genome is double-stranded DNA with reverse transcriptase enzyme, and class is known as Hepadinaviridae, and example is hepatitis B virus. According to Baltimore's system of genome-based classification, these are 7 groups, but the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses, that is ICTV, recognized 7 orders which include 96 families, 420 genera, and 2618 species of viruses. So, students, today we learned about the classification of viruses based on their genome and proposed by Baltimore, which is part of syllabi of MDS University, and it will be useful for you in various competitive examinations too. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.